So your girl is trying to build healthier routines, and one of them is doing little Sunday resets. Now, I did not start until 6, but better late than never, so I did what I could with the rest of my day, and I tried to be as productive as possible to get me ready for the new week.
Switching sides, yeah.
I used to see visions of you and me, so happy. It's over now, you're gone away. Still I can feel your energy. Someday your DNA, oh babe. Must be a fool. Why you wanna see me so caught?
I'm starting off my Sunday reset with some cleaning product shopping because I have some things at home, but there's some things that I still needed, and it's mostly like laundry stuff because I ran out of my laundry detergent. And up until now, my mama has been giving me laundry detergent. I've never had to buy my own laundry detergent, but I thought this was a good opportunity because I'm just trying to find my own way, you know, and I want my stuff to smell like really, really good. My mama's stuff, it don't smell stink, but it just don't really have no smell to it. So I went to the store and I really took my time looking to figure out which products I was going to use so that I can have the best smelling laundry ever. I'm still going to get me some more laundry stuff, but I'm probably going to have to end up ordering it just because you can't really find it in stores or whatever.
That we'd be everything that I had hoped to be. It's over now, I don't believe. And as if we're speaking honestly. Oh, yeah. Must be a fool. Why you wanna see me so caught? All that I'm asking for is answers.
Let me tell y'all need to check y'all prices when y'all shopping, because that big Tide, I was like, I'm gonna get that because it's probably cheaper. But when you look at like the unit per price or the price per unit, it was cheaper to get 2 of the little packs. So y'all make sure y'all do that when y'all be shopping. And y'all, why did all this stuff end up being $75? I came in here for 3 things. Why was it $75? But I'm not gonna lie, everything that I got, I needed. I probably shouldn't have got it from CVS because they is expensive. But yeah, I definitely went OD in here. I should have took my behind to dang Walmart, but CVS was closer, and I thought my little coupons was gonna help me, but they ain't did much, child.
$500,000 on the roof, drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. Pink money, I can barely move. Ask about me, I'm gon' bust a move. Red James, 33 chains, 30 Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, top off, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Percocet, Miley Percocet, big fun. Percocet, Miley Percocet, big fun. Rep the set, gotta rep the set. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Big fun, mask on, fuck it, mask on.
So y'all see on the floor there, I already had some little pickups from Lowe's. I really been trying to kind of build up my little cleaning products collection. Some things ran out of stock and I couldn't find at Lowe's, so that's why I had to go to CVS and get some more stuff. But now it's time for me to get to cleaning. I gotta put my hair in that ponytail. I gotta put on some music, get the vibes right. I bought bought me a little pack of these Scrub Daddy sponges, and I decided I'm gonna use one for each room. So one for the kitchen, one for my bathroom, and then one for Nova's bathroom. And then I actually started using a squeegee to clean the mirrors, and I ain't gonna lie, it makes it a little bit more fun because I usually just like use paper towels. It was kind of fun using my new cleaning products and made cleaning a little bit more, I ain't gonna lie, I enjoy cleaning, but it made it even more fun and interesting.
Your bitch wanna party with a savage too. Selling my savage and ass. High-end cars and fashion.
Y'all, I'm so glad that I picked this up. This has been like a freaking saver for me because I love to get like a nice deep clean in my showers, but I already be having back problems, and so something that extends and can get in all those nooks and crannies for me, and like it has like a Brillo type pad, so it's gonna get like a really nice clean. It just has been amazing. Chef's kiss. I love this for cleaning my showers. Cleaning the bathroom is always like I don't look forward to it, but this has made it a little bit easier for me. This is a little natural paste from the little Scrub Daddy brand, and I was using it to see if I can get some of them stains that's in the tub out. These are stains that were here before we even like got here, but it didn't really work. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean my toilet. I put on a bunch of cleaning products on my toilet because the toilet is the nastiest thing in your bathroom, and I wiped it off twice. So I did it once with my little microfiber cloth, and then I did it again with my disinfectant wipe. I did get a new toilet cleaner, the little one that you put around the bowl, so I was just excited because I just knew my house was gonna be nice and clean, cleaner than it ever has been before.
Why these niggas capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling out these rappers' cards? Cut these niggas pussy and I'm hard. I turn that fucking soft into some hard. No, I'm putting her in the camera.
So I added a little like peppermint oil mixture to the roots of each braid, and then I also put some conditioner on every single braid just because I really wanted to loosen up the dirt before I try to take it out. And then I'm going to end up putting on like a little cap on top of my head because I have low porosity hair, and so it's really hard for things to like absorb into my hair, so heat helps. And so I put the little cap on and I got back to cleaning and just kind of let that sit in my hair.
I guess I'm on oil, baby. I guess I'm on true. I guess I'm on oil, baby. But call it what you want. I guess I'm on oil, baby. I guess I'm on true. I guess I'm on oil, baby. So call me what you want. I ain't taking your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around, no. Cause you just wanna play with my heart, no. I see you with the girl at the party.
struggle. Yeah, we gone. Stop. We good. Stop. Chill. We on. Chill. Scale. Let's go. Let's go. Domingo. Let's go. Take. Let's go. Set. Let's roll. Straightening. Straightening. Yeah. Straightening. Straightening. Yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You get straight, you straightening. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like something been taken. What? Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting the narrows with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. Put that shit on. Nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch.
So when it comes to the floors, I always like sweep or vacuum before I actually mop, because I like to get all the like dry particles up first. I be putting disinfectant spray, my little lavender cleaning spray, cleaning vinegar, you name it, I put on the floor. I even be putting fabuloso on the floor sometimes, and then actually mop. Y'all let me know which products y'all like to put on your floor when y'all mop. I'm tired of having to put like 5 products on the floor.
Shooters you seen with me, we're running shit back, I just seen tennis. We gonna get straightening. Yeah, straightening. Yeah, don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You get straight, you straightening.
Get shit straight if you don't straighten it. No, I'm just to sit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, jumping out big.
So your girl's high-key excited because I bought me this little, I think it's called Folex spray, and it's supposed to be like an instant stain remover from your carpet. And me being in an apartment, it already had some stains, and then me being me and being clumsy, I made some more stains. So I used this to kind of get up some of those stains. I do have inspections coming up pretty soon, so I want to kind of get the carpet as clean as possible. I would not lie, it works. Like, it's gonna get your stains out. I wasn't even using it correctly at first because I wasn't like agitating the floor after I sprayed it, but it definitely works and get your stains out. But do what the label says and test it first, because it did like leave it kind of lighter than what the actual carpet is, I think. So just be careful when you use it, and you can actually use it on like other stuff. Like I used it on my sheets the other day. Like, it's a really good stain remover, so I highly recommend this product, because I meant to buy me the little Mr. Green, which I probably still will end up buying, but this is way cheaper. Y'all, when I tell you I was putting in that work with that dang vacuum cleaner, so I ended up vacuuming the core, and I like smelt it burning. I didn't know what was going on at first, but yeah, I vacuumed up the core. So I messed up my vacuum cleaner, but honestly, I'm not even too mad at it because I want me a new one anyways. Y'all, I don't know if y'all seen that little stuff that just fell out. It always be doing that though, like it would kind of spitball, and I just hate that. So yeah, my vacuum cleaner's not ruined, and I had to like sweep up everything else that was left, and I couldn't even like vacuum my room. I swept up everything else that was left and vacuumed it up my mini vacuum, and I called it a day.
Tesla, on with the gang, we can never be selfish. Watch out, I'm the different professor. Saw the kill Ted and I bought a compressor. Time to press him, eat him for breakfast. Taught him a lesson, I'm never confessing. Level my message, somebody catch him.
Straightening. Yeah, straightening. Yeah, don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You get straight, you straightening.
Alright, y'all, so I done used my little dish wand till it done got raggedy. I was washing my knives with it, and so that's why I look extra bad. But I got me a little refill pad and got me a new little dish wand thing.
I'll be your role model. Don't need help tomorrow. Gonna be what I'm all. Tell me what you want. You say you had a life, 'cause my time ain't enough. Cause never enough for you. But you can wait until after all. Flawless, baby, what you call this? If the shit don't involve money, I'm off it. I can be your home.
The little Scrub Daddy natural paste that I bought, I was trying to use on like rust stains and stuff, but it did not do anything, as I saw. So yeah, that was a flop.
No more shows, no MTV. So you won't step back after you leave. That's where you won't go after you come with me. I done sent it off before I turned 23. I could teach you how to ball if you just let a nigga be. We be so high, that's why we so low key. She wanna fly with you, let's make 3. I'll be your role model. Don't need us tomorrow. Gotta be what I'm at. Tell me what you want. You say you had a plan, 'cause my time ain't enough. I can be your role model.
So McKenna, stay putting your girl on. I seen her use these little Tide, what do you call them things? I don't know what you call them, but she was using them in one of her videos, and I just thought this would be better because that way I can get like detergent or little scent beads and whatever scent that I want, but I can just use those for everything else basically, if that makes sense. And then y'all, this right here changed my life. So I got these little Febreze plugins just because after you cook, or I don't know, just sometimes your houses don't be smelling all that good, or it has no smell at all. Like sometimes if we, didn't take the trash out, the house would get kind of smelly, and I hate that. So got me these little Febreze plugins. I didn't get the footage when I was actually plugged it in because my phone's being stupid, but this has changed my life. The house be smelling absolutely good. I think that's called the Ocean and something else, but when I tell you it makes your house smell so good, chef's kiss, y'all need this, like, for real. Now that I don't let that hair mask and oil sit in my hair and kind of loosen up some of the buildup, I'm ready to wash it out of my hair. Once I'm done washing out my hair, I went ahead and tried to gently and kind of slowly take all the dirt out of my hair, because like when I rush, I'm gonna pull my hair out. My hair is already falling out bad enough, so I really went piece by piece. That took me a little while, and then I actually shampooed my hair after that. I used my little massaging brush because I don't know, I just feel like it'd be hard to really get like a good shampoo when you have nails. I told you about this mane and tail conditioner before. It makes my hair feel so good, and I probably should have used it last because I just love how it leaves my hair feeling, but it has keratin and my hair just feels super soft after I use it. And then I used my conditioner just to kind of like comb out my hair and detangle it, and then after that I used another conditioner, which I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but I used another conditioner. This one is called Jazzy, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and I literally only got it because that's the nickname that my mom and my grandpa used to call me, and I was like, I gotta get it.
Like Jello, make the boys say hello, cause they know I'm rocking the big. I know you heard about a lot of great MCs, but they ain't got nothing on me. Because I'm 5'2", I wanna dance with you, and I'm sophisticated fun.
My hair, like the length is fine, but the thickness, like y'all can see in the clips like how thin it is. It's so much hair loss. I went ahead and did my little shower routine. If y'all want the full fall shower routine, y'all gotta go watch that video. So your girl has realized I actually do have a spending problem, so I've been trying to get more into budgeting, just trying to stick to a better budget so that I can save some more money. And I also went ahead and planned out my school assignments for the rest of the semester because I'm almost done with this semester. And I planned out my YouTube goals, and I feel like planning out goals just kind of helps you stay on track and see how much progress you made.
You won't break my soul.
I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.